sasa hivi mnajisikianga nataka kubai vitu you don't know, please. The description is there. Let me know what you think down there, if it's really worth it shipping in terms of the time, the costs, and the expectations and reality. Like, yani siwezi sema, sina maneno. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in case you're new here, my name is Zach Daniel, and feel at home. And if you've not subscribed, please hit the subscription button down there. And I am really happy to be back, and yeah, thank you very much for all the messages you guys have given me, the recovery or whatever. Yeah, just the nice messages. And I am 80% well, thanks be to God. Yes, so today I'm going to talk about something. Is it really worth it to ship something? And if you're shipping something, what do you need to know about shipping? And yeah, all about the online shopping, like let's say from outside. And yeah, the expectations versus reality. Yani, I am shocked, I am flabbergasted, I am katuambas, I am so I will just give you a brief like story or something like that. I had told my friend, wow, I have seen human hair online, and I think I'll just buy mine and then I'll give you one, because it has offer buy 2 get 1 free. Yani vitu za free, vitu tunapenda. Yani I thought I have bought human hair, and whoa, I was very wrong. So I was expecting like I'll get this. and I got this. Whoa. Yeah, so let me show you how or what I got. Macume, I was expecting human hair, like the ones that have baby hair and whatever. So I had already told her, just wait for me, I'll be adding on my collection for the human hair, and then I'll give you the other one. Winnie, I am sorry, this is what we got. I had bought like 360 degrees. Yeah, 360 degrees for the curly one. No, this is mine. No, this is from my hair. This is what we call 360 degrees. So 360 degrees means that up here there's no lace, but it's all round, like circular, like just a circle making 360 degrees. So this is what it means by 360. And this is human hair, one of my wigs. And then I was also expecting a frontal, but no, this one is a full lace. This is full lace, one of mine as well, one of my hair. So I was expecting like I have bought online, so I was expecting another thing, but let me show you what I got. So this is the package here. After I went to Posta, yani they taxed me and they overtaxed me. I will tell you how. I am going to tell you in this video how they really tax you guys, and I'm going to show you the documents. Yani, it was not worth it. I bought the hair for I think 60 US or something, 60 US, and this is what I got. First of all, when you go there, they just they want to see what is there, and they try to value your products. So let's see what's here. What? Nini linituma ninunue. I will just collage and let you know like what I was expecting versus what I got. So one of the hair is this one. First of all, the hair is very synthetic. So one of the hair is this one, very synthetic. Just see, my God, you cannot compare with this one, you understand? Hey, I am tired. I am really tired. Winnie, yani this is what I got. Aki, kusema tu ukweli ni madharau gani? Yani kupenda vitu za bure. Just see. Let me make this dummy of mine to wear this wig. We see how it's going to get. My God. So this is what I was I was expecting something like this, but I got this one. Guys, what do you think? Luere, 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 luere. Look, just see how my dummy looks like. Jameni. Ah. Wow. Another one here, the second one, very synthetic, very synthetic. Yani, Aki just received this hair and I was like, so this is what I was buying. Aki, just see, no less, no nothing. Like, Aki nimeboeka. See, so I was expecting something like, yeah, this type, this hair. Yeah, you see in terms of texture, you can also see the difference. This one is very synthetic. This is what they call, I don't know, straight. Yeah, straight, whatever, straight, whatever. It's long, it's not bad, but like the texture, human hair doesn't look like this, to be honest. Just see. Yani, no lace, no nothing. No lace, no nothing. Ata tu ka frontal, yani ka closure peke yake. They can't put, nimekasirika. And then this one was supposed to be curly. Here comes the hair, very synthetic. So the difference between synthetic and human hair is that human hair will serve you for long, and you can tongue, blow dry, do anything with it. It's like your hair. Tell me, giveaways, leave us a comment down there. Let me know if I should do a giveaway on this. So guys, the hair already costed me $60. $60 or $40, I'm not really sure, but I'll put it there for you guys. So when I go to pay at the poster, first of all, wait, I ordered the hair in March, but yani sijaenda Sara hivi. So when I went to the tax section, whatever, the poster, they told me you're supposed to pay this amount of money. Alafu nimepata kimama kingine kinanipinganisha. At this hair I always expensive. Hii ni human hair. I'm like, guy, unajua nitakuacha hizi wig buy. That woman, the woman is called Njeri. Amevaa specs ananiangalia tu. Guy. So she told me that is not the value of the hair. They lied that the value of the hair is $20. But I bought, okay, they were selling buy 2 get 1 free. So I think it was $40 or something. So this is what I paid for. I paid for this amount of money. 2,368 shillings. I think you can see, guys. 2,368 shillings. This is the tax that I was taxed. I've not finished. Hapa, they also taxed me 175 shillings. I hope you guys can see down here. 175 shillings. Ati hiyo ndio handling fees. Sijui alikuwa na handle nini. So in total, mi sijui maths, but I paid more than 2,500 shillings for synthetic hair. Yenye nilibuy 4,000. Hiyo ni ngapi? 4,000 and something. Nitawangalilia. Yeah, so if you add that amount to this one, honestly, it doesn't really make sense. And I bought it from March. Let's count from March, April, May, June, July. After 5 months is when I got my hair. And after I got my hair, it is very synthetic. Yani mimi nimejam, nimekula ngori yani. Wow. At the poster, there's a really long process. You have to wait. I don't know, they go check the item number. Okay, from there, they put it from the counter, they value. Like if the hair are 3 or you bought 2 and you got another one free, so they'll take the amount of one and also add the other one, because they say it's, yeah, the value there, and then it has to go through the customs. And at times, if you don't have a receipt to show that you bought the hair or your item for this and this amount, honestly, they really disturb you. And there's that, hey, that woman Aki, wow. you should have the receipt that you purchased the thing for. And they also charge, if you pay the amount, let's say you bought something for $40 and then you paid shipping for $40, so they will charge all of them, like the total amount of what you paid for that item plus shipping. This Kenya of ours, I don't know, but long ago, this time I had bought, wait, oh yes, this is now a frontal. A frontal is like here in the front, your forehead. Yeah, I had bought this one, and then they just put for me in a box. I don't know what changed nowadays. I went there and I was like, okay, so nowadays they always value, like even the small items, they don't put it in your postal box. I don't know, Kenya. When you're shopping online, what you should do is that you should always be buying things using your PayPal account. At least without that you can be refunded. But then another thing is that if an item takes long for you to see it and you have not seen how the items look so that you can ask for a refund, that's another thing again. So if you're shipping, in case the item comes before 3 months, because on PayPal they refund you after you have bought the item within, I think it's 3 months. Yes, 3 months you can get your refund back, your money back. I think, yeah, you can get your money back via PayPal. So when you're paying online, make sure you use PayPal, and if the items come earlier than 3 months, you can ask for a refund if it's not what you expected. Okay, that's why you should support like the local brand, something that you can go and touch and feel and you're like, yeah, this is what I need. But yani, the things we see on social media and you want like expectations versus reality, totally different things. Guys, let me know what you think down there, if it's really worth it shipping in terms of the time, the costs, and the expectations and reality. Like, I think I will do a giveaway at the end of this month, maybe. Yeah, maybe I will be celebrating 5,000 subscribers because we are almost there. Yeah, I'll give away the hair, and I think because usually I sell this type of hair. I have them. I sell this type of hair for 1,000 bob, a wig. I have them. Let me show you. So I usually sell these types of hair, and I will show you. One of them is this one. Have not combed it, like this one, and another type is this one. I usually sell them for 1,000 bob. So if yani nikifikiria venye nimenunua nywele hiyo amount na jam, I usually sell this type of hair for 1,000 bob. It is here, this one. This is a totally different hair from the other one. I usually sell this type of hair for 1,000 bob, and then I am importing it 3 pieces, and I'm spending like between 6,000 to 8,000. Hey, Jamini. Hey. So guys, comment down there and let me know if you think it's worth it or not. Hizo zenye mnajisikianga, oh, nataka kubai vitu majuu, nataka kubai vitu China, nataka kubai, yeah, like nataka kubai vitu majuu. Oh, you don't know, please. The description is there. They'll tell you human hair, but then you get what I just got. Kama hiyo si kiherehere ningekuwa nimetoanisha, si ningenunua hapa. Yeah, so Winnie, hi. Yani hakuna wig, in short. Tupati wig. We'll be selling them at 1,500. Yeah, because it's synthetic. 1,500. So in case you're interested, let me know, and then at the end of the month we'll have giveaways for, yeah, I have some stock here. like, yeah, this type of hair. I'll give them away end month. Yeah, so stay tuned as to celebrate our road to 5K. So guys, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have learned something. Usijipe kiherehere. Shipping. That one kills. So I hope you've learned something, and thank you very much guys for always supporting me, for watching, for clicking. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe guys down there, because we have more to come, like DIY for the next video, I guess. Yeah, thank you so much. Nambarikiwe. Okay.